It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new subscribers, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm happy you're here. So for today's video, I'm finally joining the trend, the headband wig trend. Yes, like I've seen some nice videos and they just look so good. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should get me a headband wig and, review one. So I got one from UNice Hair. UNice Hair was kind enough to send me that headband unit. And it's an Amazon company, and they're also on AliExpress, I believe. And in the box came this is some lashes. Like those just look extra. And they sent a little headband, which is nice. And let me give you the details on this. So this is 100% human curly hair, and it's Brazilian, and it's 150 density, and it's 18 inches, and it's on Amazon for $92, but they gave me a discount code so you can get some coins off. It will be down in the description box. But this is the unit right here. Like, look at them curls. Like, it is so nice. Like, do you see that? Like, this is straight out of the box. Do you see those? I love it. And it comes with one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and it has the headband that's like has the velcros and stuff. And it comes with the natural hair stuff. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm super excited because it looks so nice. Like, okay, so this is what she looks like with the headband. Like, I don't have any edges. And with these headband wigs, what is good about them, if you don't want to show your edges, you don't have to, because sis over here don't have any edges. So I brought the band all the way down to my forehead because I don't got no edges to show. But this is really nice. Like, it's just so simple and it's just easy. I like how the headband is like thick enough, and it's just nice. Like, sis, what? You cannot talk to me anyhow. Like, look at this. Like, the curls are so nice, and with this there's so much versatility. You can do different style. Like, with it looking like this right now, I like it. Like, ooh, oh yeah, and you can put it up in a ponytail. But yeah, so I'm gonna put on the headband that they sent. I mean, it's cute, but I think it's not gonna be thick enough to cover the band. Yeah, this headband is really cute, but it's not thick enough. You can still see the black part, which, for some people that may not be a problem, but it just doesn't look cute like that. But but I got some headband from like Walmart and stuff. But it's like one of those ones where you put it around your hair. Like, this is cute. This is really cute. And with these hairband wigs, there's so much you can do with it. Like, if I want to put it in a bun. See? It's in a cute little bun. Like this. Do you see this? Like, there is so much you can do with this. So much. I think this is cute. I like this style better. And I like this hairband. This is my favorite one. But yeah. I like it. Like, why didn't I join the trend like sooner? You know? Hopefully I do more hairband wigs because I like it. It's like, this is so easy. Like, if you don't want to do your hair, it is so easy. Like, sis, jump out of bed and just put this on and off you go. But yeah, all the information for this here is gonna be in the description box, and so will the discount code, so you can save some coins. And thank you, UNice Hair, for sending me this unit for review. I love it. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.